Louis Vuitton is the most luxury brand in the world. Its CEO Bernard Arnault is also the second wealthiest person in the world. Looking at the success of the company, who started by a man who was homeless during his teenage years, had no education, and slept in the forest. This is the jaw-dropping story of how a homeless teenager created one of the world's most luxurious brands. Who was this teen, and how did he go from rags to riches? Stay tuned, because this is a tale of determination, innovation, and an unbreakable spirit that you won't believe. Louis Vuitton was born in a small village in Angers, France, in 1821. His early life was far from glamorous. At just 10 years old, Louis was orphaned and left to fend for himself. With nothing but hope and a dream, he set out on foot at 13 for Paris, a 292-mile journey filled with peril and uncertainty. What drove this young boy to take such a daring leap? Paris was a city of dreams and despair. For young Louis, it was initially more of the latter. Homeless and alone, he faced the harsh reality of street life. But amidst the struggle, Louis found an opportunity. He started working as an apprentice for a master box maker and packer, Monsieur Marechal. This was the beginning of his journey into the world of luxury. Louis's craftsmanship was unparalleled. He quickly earned a reputation for his innovative designs and exceptional quality. In 1854, he took a bold step and opened his own workshop in Paris. Here, he revolutionized the luggage industry with his flat-top trunks. Unlike the bulky, rounded top trunks of the time, Louis's designs were stackable, durable, and waterproof. But how did he transform this breakthrough into a global phenomenon? Success didn't come without its hurdles. Louis faced fierce competition, financial difficulties, and even the destruction of his workshop during the Franco-Prussian War. Sleepless nights and relentless work defined his life. Yet, he pushed through, driven by an unyielding desire to innovate and excel. But what was his next big move? In 1896, Louis's son, Georges, introduced the iconic LV monogram canvas. This wasn't just a stylish design, it was a strategic move to combat counterfeiting and cement the brand's identity. The monogram became a symbol of luxury and exclusivity, propelling Louis Vuitton into the global spotlight. But what truly set them apart? The Vuitton family's resilience was put to the test numerous times. Georges, inspired by his father's tenacity, took the brand to new heights, establishing stores across the globe. The brand survived wars, economic downturns, and even personal losses, yet emerged stronger every time. How did they maintain this unyielding spirit? From humble beginnings to a name known worldwide, Louis Vuitton's legacy is a testament to innovation, quality, and perseverance. Today, the brand is synonymous with luxury, admired by celebrities and royalty alike. The LV logo represents more than just a brand. It embodies a story of transformation and triumph. Louis Vuitton's journey teaches us that no dream is too big and no obstacle insurmountable. Imagine the courage it took for a young, destitute boy to not only survive, but to thrive and build a legacy. His story is a beacon of hope for anyone who faces hardships. Louis didn't just create products. He created symbols of resilience and excellence that continue to inspire millions around the globe. Every Louis Vuitton item crafted today carries forward Louis' spirit of relentless pursuit of perfection. The brand's commitment to quality and innovation remains steadfast, reminding us that the foundation of greatness is laid through hard work, creativity, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Louis Vuitton's story is a powerful reminder that greatness comes from within. It's about turning your struggles into strength and your dreams into reality. As you walk the path of your own journey, remember the homeless teen who dared to dream big and, against all odds, changed the world of fashion forever. What extraordinary achievements lie within you? Thanks for watching. If Louis Vuitton's incredible journey inspired you, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories of success and innovation. What do you think was the most impressive part of Louis's journey? Let us know in the comments below.